had been shot and killed. Now, earlier on, the suspect had tried to fire a weapon. A police pursuit taking place. Now we're going to go on top of that TFR. Temporary flight restriction industrial supply. This is the pursuit taking place. Oh, he's spraying some wet roads. And if that's the case, pursuit is underway now. This is a police pursuit taking place. So that suspect eventually believed to be armed. Well, that suspect believed to be armed and dangerous. That suspect has brandished a water hose. This pursuit went out the way to Los Santos. He's trying to speed up, evade the cops on foot. Suspect had eventually speeds up to 45. One. Wow, that front bumper has fallen off. Wow, I don't. That's not him. Okay, that's not. Not good. Okay. Yeah. Wow. 2 people are drowning. Yeah. Wow. 2 people are drowning. The suspect he just sprayed 2 people and the water hose was dead. 2 people are dead. I'm hearing from the police scanner that suspect has been driving very erratically for the better part. I haven't seen erratic driving for the most part. I try to play it cool and calm before our police. Wow. Wow. That police officer is literally on the run. That front bumper has been falling off. The front bumper fell off 5 minutes ago. It's pursuit underway now. The pursuit, he carjacked that fire truck. That pursuit has been on for at least 20 or 30 seconds. That pursuit is underway right now in Banning. This is a police pursuit